Determine the points, if any, at which the function has horizontal tangent line, and you're giving a function of which is y equals x plus sine of x, where x is less than or equal to 2 pi, and less than 2 pi, and greater or equal to 0. So find the first derivative. You find the first derivative so you can see the relationship of your slope. Your first derivative is equal to 0, your slope is going to be 0, and therefore you're going to have a horizontal tangent line. So find the derivative with respect to x of each term. And the derivative with respect to x of x is going to be 1. X to the 1 minus 1 power, using the power rule. Plus the derivative of sine x is going to be cosine x. So y prime equals 1 times x, which is x, 1 minus 1 is 0, plus cosine x. And then y prime is equal to 1 plus cosine x. Because remember that x to 0 power is equal to 1. Now y prime equals 1 plus cosine x, and in order to find for the slope is equal to 0, set the first derivative equal to 0, and y prime is 1 plus cosine x, and x equals 0. Solve x by subtracting 1 on both sides, you're just undoing addition of 1. So you got cosine of x equals negative 1. So where do you know that cosine what number to use is negative 1? If you really think about it, you're given a range of 0 to 2 pi, and just go ahead, if you draw your graph, you're going to notice it goes like this, to this, to this, to this, right? This is 2 pi, this is pi, and where cosine is negative 1 is pi, right? So x equals pi. And now, we have to go ahead and plug pi back into the original equation, right? So we can get y. So y equals x plus sine of x. So y equals pi plus sine of pi. And let's go ahead and figure out what that is. Y equals pi plus sine of pi, which is negative 1. So y equals pi minus 1. So there exists a horizontal tangent line at the point pi minus 1.